How to schedule always on display on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Then in settings, we scroll down, and from here tap on lock screen and AOD. Next, tap on always on display. Then we scroll down and tap on when to show. Here select as scheduled and then tap on set schedule. From here you can choose the start time and end time. So let's say you want to have this always on display to show at 7 p.m. and end at 5 a.m. for example, or maybe just 12 a.m. So just for 5 hours, and then tap on done. Then tap on the back key, and that's it. We have now set a schedule. You can see that if I lock my screen, the always on display will be turned off. If the time is between 7 and 12 a.m., then the always on display will appear on your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.